What are you doing over there?
I love this.
Are you fixing the drawer, Kaden?
I don't know. It's Georgia, Mommy. It's Georgia.
You've been fixing the door all day, right? What's your name?
I do, Mommy.
What's your name?
It's Bob, Mommy.
Oh, it's Bob, is it? Oh dear.
Uh-oh.
Is it all fixed?
Mom, Marco. Marco.
Where's your screw? I don't know. Where'd you put it?
Do, Mommy. Do. No, Mom. Do, Mommy.
I don't know. What's this over here? Is this scoop?
Do, Mommy.
You lost your screw? It's over here. Oh, it's over here, Bob.
Oh, no. I know, Mom. I know.
What do you say? What's your name? Can you tell everybody what your name is? What's your name?
Bob.
Oh, okay. You're Bob? Bob the what? Bob the builder?
Yeah.
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 What do you do all day? Do you build?
Bob.
Alright. Are you putting your tools away? You gonna go fix something else now?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you gonna go fix now?